Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted bun hairstyle. I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm just going to take a slice of hair from the top of the head to just above the ear, and we're going to take the same size section on the opposite side. Bring both these sections around to the back of the head and secure them together with a clear elastic band. Pop a couple of fingers behind that ponytail, pass the ends up and pull it all the way through to create a twist, and do this twice. Next, apply some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then gently pinch and pull at the twists and the crown area. Now, to keep these twists secure, I'm just going to slip a couple of bobby pins through the middle of them to keep them to the head. Then gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail. Now I'm going to divide this ponytail in half, and working on the right hand side I'm going to pop a clear elastic band about shoulder height, make a hole above the elastic band, pop your fingers through and then pull the ends through. Then repeat on the opposite side. So pop in your elastic band, create a hole, pop your fingers through, and then grab the end of the ponytail and pull it all the way through that hole. Apply more texture spray to those little twists on the ponytail, and then gently pinch and pull at the edges to create more volume. Now I'm going to take the right hand ponytail and I'm going to pop my fingers behind that left hand twist and pop a couple of fingers behind it, grab the ponytail and pull it all the way through to the elastic band. Then just secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. And we're going to repeat on the other side, so pop your fingers behind the right hand twist, take that left hand ponytail and pull it underneath that twist until you reach the elastic band. Again, secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Now take those two sections that are left over and join them together just under that bun with another elastic band. And once more we're going to pop our fingers behind that elastic band and we're going to pull that ponytail through that little hole, and again we're going to do this twice to make the twist tighter, and then just pull on the ends of the hair to tighten it up until it reaches the bun. Then secure those twists to the side of the head with a bobby pin or two. Apply your texture spray to those twists and pinch and pull. Now for that last little bit I'm just going to tie a clear elastic band and create a loop, and then all I'm going to do is roll this up till it meets the bun and just secure it at the bottom of the bun with a bobby pin or two. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I've linked my Instagram and TikTok accounts below if you want to check out my wedding work.